everyone, I've just come to share with you two journals that I've made. They're both soft covers and they're both quite chunky, and they will both be listed on my shop and the details will be below. So I'm going to start with this one because I made this one first. Like I say, soft cover, patterned cardstock, and it's sewn onto some white cardstock, then it's been inked up. On the spine here we have some rosette trim, and then there's some lace trim here with this trim just over the top. This lovely image here, there is some stitching, and the journal itself measures 8 1/4 by just shy of 5.5. There is one signature, and I can't remember how many pages are in this, but it will be detailed in the listing. So on the inside cover here we have a pocket, and there is just lots of different ephemera. Ephemeras from various places: ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose, oh I can't remember, just so many people. Made a little booklet here. Do excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. Got some crocheted trim here. This is digital paper. Can't remember the seller. It might have been Raspberry Road Designs, or I could be wrong, can't remember. So that's, I've used a few digital like main pages in the journal. We have a corner tuck, well it's not a corner tuck, it's a pocket and a tuck, and it all flips out. One of Terry Wood's designs. We have a tag here, some more ephemera and journaling cards, and that all slips in there, and obviously that all opens out. I should have done that first. So that goes like that. And it's got a doily and a ticket and a butterfly. We've got a tag here, there's book pages and dictionary pages, some Edith Holden, stamping and stenciling, some more crocheted trim. Here we have an envelope altered pocket, and we have a tag inside there, and then there's just some journaling cards. There is actually quite a lot of bird themed things in here. Just pulled out all the bits that I had left over. Another tag and book pages, Edith Holden, a doily, a paper bag, some music paper, some stenciling on there as well, and we have a tag and some ephemera, and a corner flip with some more ephemera, a tag, journaling card there, and another little one there. An envelope pocket here, and we just have a tag, a little tag there, some ephemera, and another little birdie tag. So it's kind of birds and flowers and insects. Made an altered paper clip, and it's got some fabric on there as well, this little image that I shrunk down, and some bling. And here we just have some ephemera, centre of the signature. Here we just have a paper clip, and it's just holding some ephemera in there from Tsunami Rose, and journaling card from ARTYmaze. We have the paper bag here, the doily, another corner flip there, some more tags, ephemera, another journaling card, and a double journaling card there. Some more crocheted trim, some lined paper, some more Edith Holden, the book pages, the tag. This again is another flip out We have a tag here, journaling card, a library card and a little journaling card there, and that goes back up, and the paper clip just holds it closed. Oops, I think I've paper clipped 2 pages there. I have. There we go. And some more tags and ephemera in this little flip there, with another altered paper clip, paper bag, a doily, some more book pages and a tag, another altered envelope tag in there, some lace trim on there, a journaling card, tag, bookmark, so that all just pops in there. More book pages, another envelope pocket, and here we have a journaling card, another one, and another one, and a tag. And in the back here we just have another small journaling card, a birdie tag. This is a little booklet. Oh, I'm getting all tangled up here. A tag and one of these like bowl jars, mason jar, I think, or not mason jar, it is just a bowl jar. And that is the back. So that is that one. And then we have this one. And this is a kit from ARTYmaze. And I can't remember what it's called, but I will link ARTYmaze and Tsunami Rose below. So we have again patterned cardstock, some of this rosette trim. This image was just in my stash. We have got some lace here and some more of that kind of flower lace trim. Oh, this one measures 7 3/4 by 5.5. One signature, and I can't remember how many pages are in that. So we have the pocket here, and we have some ephemera, some tags, and a handmade tag. It's a lovely image. And we have another Cherry Woods flip out here. And the tag goes in there, and that one goes in there. Most of the tags have been backed onto white cardstock. So it's quite similar to the other one, just different papers. Crocheted trim, lovely image, stamping and stenciling. Another envelope pocket, and they've all been, the envelopes have been coffee dyed, and if you're doing the ones with the windows in it, you don't put them in the oven. So, you know, I know that from a long time ago, and I'd done that the other day, and I wondered why it all melted. So I just let them dry naturally. It's got some crocheted trim here to tag and book pages, a doily in a paper bag, some ledge paper which is free printable from ARTYmaze. And we just have some ephemera here. This is an envelope. It's from the kit. I can't remember what it's called now, it's annoying me. I think it was one of the first kits that I ever got from ARTYmaze, and I haven't used it in a long time. So this is from the kit, that's from the kit. Some more tags, both from the kit. An envelope pocket, a tag, book pages, another corner flip, tag, and a tag from the kit. A doily in a paper bag, some more journaling cards. And in here we have some ephemera. Checking my time. Some more ephemera here, just paper clipped on. Another piece of ephemera. Paper bag. Another envelope pocket with a tag and a tag from the kit. Another altered envelope, some lace trim here. Actually, that goes in there, and the tags go here. Another journaling card from the kit, and obviously that's an envelope. And another journaling card here with some ephemera inside there. Oops. Some more ephemera on there with another journaling card. Paper bag, a doily, some squared paper, book pages, tag, another flip out. This is just like the other one, held closed with the paper clip, and we have a large journaling card. It's a postcard actually, and a tag, and 2 tags from the kit. So that just pops in there. And the paper clip just holds it together. Some more book pages, a corner flip here, and a tag from the kit and a handmade tag. And that is what's in the back pockets. I just need to quickly wipe my nose. So yes, that's my 2 journals. I do have another journal on my site, and I have put together some more kits, some of the paper journal kits, and I'm not going to do a video on them because I've done quite a few and they're all basically more or less the same. I'm just going to name them as the hints of colours that are with it, but they are I will link my video that I done for the kits below so you can roughly see what you're getting. They will vary very slightly, but I'm just not going to keep doing videos of paper kits when they are all basically the same. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.